Are you ready to learn everyday English?
Lesson 138. He told me that.
Let's go.
에게 말하는 것은
To tell. To tell.
나에게 말하는 것은
To tell me. To tell me.
그는 나에게 말했어요.
He told me. He told me.
그는 나에게 말하기를
He told me that. He told me that.
알레르기가 있는
Allergic. Allergic.
땅콩 알레르기가 있는
Allergic to peanuts. Allergic to peanuts.
그는 땅콩 알레르기가 있었어요.
He was allergic to peanuts. He was allergic to peanuts.
그는 땅콩 알레르기가 있다고 나에게 말했어요.
He told me that he was allergic to peanuts. He told me that he was allergic to peanuts.
쇼핑을 가는 것은
To go shopping. To go shopping.
그는 쇼핑을 갔어요.
He went shopping. He went shopping.
그는 일요일에 쇼핑을 갔어요.
He went shopping on Sunday. He went shopping on Sunday.
그는 일요일에 쇼핑을 갔다고 나에게 말했어요.
He told me that he went shopping on Sunday. He told me that he went shopping on Sunday.
유통기한이 지나는 것은
To be expired. To be expired.
우유가 유통기한이 지났어요.
The milk was expired. The milk was expired.
그는 우유가 유통기한이 지났다고 나에게 말했어요.
He told me that the milk was expired. He told me that the milk was expired.
파산하는 것은
To go bankrupt. To go bankrupt.
가게가 파산했어요.
The store went bankrupt. The store went bankrupt.
가게가 작년에 파산했어요.
The store went bankrupt last year. The store went bankrupt last year.
그는 가게가 작년에 파산했다고 나에게 말했어요.
He told me that the store went bankrupt last year. He told me that the store went bankrupt last year.
독감 예방주사.
flu shot, flu shot,
독감 예방주사를 맞는 것은
to get a flu shot, to get a flu shot.
그는 독감 예방주사를 맞았어요.
He got a flu shot. He got a flu shot.
그는 어제 독감 예방주사를 맞았어요.
He got a flu shot yesterday. He got a flu shot yesterday.
그는 어제 독감 예방주사를 맞았다고 나에게 말했어요.
He told me that he got a flu shot yesterday. He told me that he got a flu shot yesterday.
오늘은 여기까지. 구독과 좋아요. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.